This is Carl with the three things I'm watching for Thursday, February the 13th. Number one, Chinese feed production is down from last year, dropping. Not necessarily from lower animal numbers, although there are less animals on feed in China right now. It's because of the efficiency of the animals being fed, the improved genetics, and also better quality feed. If you feed higher quality products, you can feed less of them, and that's what the Chinese are starting to find out. Could alter our demand forecasts into China a little bit more than the USDA adjusted this week. We already seen a big cut to wheat and corn imports into China. Could be even more as we move forward. That's got trade a little upset. Corn sales to everybody else is picking up though, so it not going to be a huge factor in U.S. balance sheets, but it is a factor. The CPI index from yesterday, inflation coming in for January hotter than expected. Consumer spending not slowing. You know all the data leading up to those decisions. The big thing is the jobs market. The Fed realizes we are in a tight jobs labor market, but at the same time, they need to, they want to get inflation and spending under control. Next Fed meeting, March 18th and 19th. I do not, I would be almost amazed if we had an interest rate cut. Matter of fact, most analysts saying now it could be into 2027 before we see any interest rate cuts. And there's a few indications we could see rates creep higher. If we see tariffs put on and they are long lasting, we will likely see inflation spike even more and likely see interest rates climb higher. It's a reaction to a tariff laden market. So a little bit of concern in the outside market spilling over into the commodities, and that caused some liquidation yesterday, especially in that soy complex. Third thing, it's Thursday, so we're watching the export sales. We had some flash sales over the past week. Routine flash sales, I guess I would call it. Nothing extravagant. The pace has really slowed off. However, we're still seeing good demand from the delays to the soybean harvest in South America, as well as the corn. We're starting to get a little bit more concerned, not just over when the corn harvest will take place, but crop size, given the lengthy delays to the safrinha planting in Brazil. A lot going on there. But the bottom line is our export demand has been pretty strong, even without flash sales. We'll see if we can continue this week. Basis levels starting to firm across the Midwest, so we're showing a little bit of competition from the export market on the interior market. That's a good sign for our demand going forward. Those are the three things I'm watching today.